mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. From headlines to fairness, bringing clarity for public awareness. Kawa pala si Dula Yunes, hindi bulag sa katotohanan, balitang may tapang at bilis. Breaking news! Scientists have discovered something shocking. Plants are cloning themselves without permission. No weddings, no dating apps, no it's complicated status.
Wait, what? You're telling me strawberries don't falling down first? For you? No, that strawberry didn't text anyone good morning. So potatoes don't even go on dinner dates? The potato is the dinner date.
Mitch, look at this potato.
It had life! What?
Relax, guys. Those are called buds. Strawberries.
They send out runners.
When the runner touches the soil, boom, root grows.
And carrots, you cut the top. And boom, it grows back. That's not a vegetable. That's a superhero story, you know.
So plants don't need seeds to reproduce?
Exactly. They use stem, roots, even plant hormones like auxin for roots, cytokinin for shoots.
Teacher, I can't understand a single thing. What is oxygen? What is cytokinin? What is vegetative propagation? What the hell is that?
Oh, hi everyone. I have a question. What if I told you that plants can clone themselves without seeds? No romance, no flowers fall in love, just straight up duplication. Today, we will talk about two plant powers, vegetative propagation and organogenesis. And our special guest for today is strawberry, potato, and carrot.
First, let's talk about vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in plants. This means plants can reproduce itself using parts like stems, roots, or leaves instead of seeds. The new plant is genetically identical to the parent plant. In simple words, the plant creates a clone of itself.
So what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation happens when plant parts grow into a completely new plant. Plants can do this naturally in the environment. Farmers and scientists can also do it artificially to grow crops much faster. Today, we will focus on natural examples like strawberries, potatoes, and carrots.
Our first example is strawberry. Strawberries reproduce using structures called runners. And a runner is a thin stem grows horizontally along the ground.
When the runner touches the soil, it can grow roots and form a new plant. This new plant is exactly the same as the parent strawberry. So one strawberry plant can slowly spread and create many more plants.
Next is the potato. Potatoes reproduce using tubers. A tuber is an underground stem that stores nutrients. Those small spots on a potato are called eyes. Each eye contains a bud that can grow into a new plant. So one potato can grow into several new plants.
Our third example is the carrot. Carrots are known as root vegetables. The carrot root stores nutrients for the plant. If the top part of the carrot is replanted, it can grow new leaves and shoots. This allows the carrot plant to continue growing and eventually produce. Even a simple carrot can regenerate new growth. Now let's move to our second concept, organogenesis. Organogenesis is a process where plant cells develop into different plant organs. These organs include the root, the stem, and the leaves. It is an important process in plant growth and development. Organogenesis often happens
when plant cells begin to divide and specialize.
This process usually begins in plant tissues called meristems. Meristems contain cells that can divide very quickly.
These cells receive signals that tell them what to do. While others develop into roots, some of them became leaves and stems. So, in this process, a small group of cells became a full plant.
Plant hormones play an important role in organogenesis. The two important hormones are auxins and cytokinins. The auxins help stimulate the formation of roots, while cytokinins help stimulate the formation of shoots and leaves. The balance between these hormones determine how the plant grows.
Vegetative propagation and organogenesis are very useful in agriculture and science. Farmers use vegetative propagation to grow crops quickly and keep the best plant traits.
Scientists use organogenesis in laboratories to grow plants through tissue culture. This helps produce large number of healthy plants and supports agricultural research. Because of these processes, we can grow food more efficiently.
So today, we discovered something amazing. Plants are not as simple as they seem. They can clone themselves, grow from roots, and create new organs from tiny cells. Strawberries spread through runners, potatoes grow from their eyes, and carrots can regenerate new growth. Vegetative propagation is nature's cloning method, while organogenesis is the process that builds the plant's organs. Together, they show us how powerful and fascinating plant life truly is. Thank you for listening, and see you when I see you.